Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree if you are new here, and welcome back to another palette mashup where I pair two palettes together and create a look with them. In today's video, I am playing around with one of my Z palettes with a bunch of Colourpop shades in it, and the Colourpop Your Golden palette. So I love the way that this look turned out. I'm super excited about it, and yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to start off in my Z palette, and I'm going to go into the shade right here and start packing that on my inner and outer corner. Next up, I'm going to jump over to the Your Golden palette, and I'm going to dip into the shade Slumber and use that to start blending out that kind of dark pink. And then I'm going to dip into the shade Remote and use that to just continue blending. I will say you can definitely tell a quality difference between what is the newest Colourpop eyeshadow palette and their older palettes, because the shades that are in my Z palette are at least 3 years old, if not more. So they've definitely upped their quality. Like, the other ones are still good and they still work really well. They're definitely not like expired or anything like that, but you can definitely tell that they've upped their pigmentation, their blendability a little bit. And then last but not least, I'm going to dip into the shade up here and just use that to blend everything into my brow bone. Last but not least, for my lids, I'm going to dip into the pressed foil shade in Glass Bowl. And this is just a regular single shadow, didn't come out of a palette. I love the way that these colors work together. It's so gorgeous. So I'm gonna go toss on my base and I will be right back. Alright, so for my bronzer, I'm gonna go into the Too Faced Natural Face palette, and I'm gonna use both bronzers, so Sunny Honey and Tropic Like It's Hot. Alright, so I'm going to do my under eyes off of camera. I'm going to use this dark blue teal shade right here. I don't want to use the one from Your Golden because it does pull a lot more blue than this one does right here. And then I'm just going to blend it out with that shade that I used earlier, that kind of neutral tan shade. Alright, and for my cheeks, I'm going to go back into the Natural Face palette and use Pink Sand as my blush. For my highlight, I'm going to dip into the Pixi Rach Loves Layers palette, and I'm going to layer together lace and clutch. Alright, I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my face. When I get back, I'll tell you guys what I put on my lips and show you guys the final look. Alright, so for my lips, I used another product that I'm going to be talking about in my Ulta haul that will be coming up soon, but this is the Milani Color Fetish Matte Lipstick, and this one is in the shade Pleasure. This is what it looks like right here. Such a gorgeous shade. Formula is gorgeous. The packaging is stunning, as I have said about the other Milani Color Fetish lipsticks. I just love it. I love that it's not like incredibly glossy. There's a lot more pigment to it. It's obviously not super matte, but it's more matte than the other ones, and it's just super comfy. Love it. Very excited about it. And yeah, this is the final look. Like I said earlier, I love the way that Glass Bowl played with the warm reds and the blue on the under eyes. I just think that it turned out really, really pretty, and I'm very happy about that. And that is going to wrap up my why did I shake it? That's gonna wrap up my palette mashup with the Colourpop Your Golden palette and my Z palette of mostly Colourpop shades. There's a couple random ones in there. And yeah, comment down below and let me know how you would pair these two shades together. I would love to know. Please subscribe if you have not already. It would mean the world to me. Like this video, ring the bell, do all the things. I hope that you guys have an awesome, awesome day, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!